Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we got back our latest CAC shipment. So see if we got any amazing upgrades. This is our latest shipment from CAC. We just now recently got our CAC shipment this time. A little bit delay. Usually CAC takes about a week to get graded. These took almost a month. So CAC's a little bit backed up. I know right now there's a delay on submissions, but hopefully they get caught back up and we can submit more coins to CAC. Okay. Nice little packaging from them. Alright. So I sent them some silver dollars this time to CAC. Not rare dates per se, but stuff that has a little decent jump if you do get them in CAC grades. First up, we have is a 1923 piece dollar. And what you notice by this one, it's in the old fat NGC holders, which is one of my favorite holders. Nice little white color with original little spotting. And this one didn't CAC, but it is an MS65. So very nice coin. Next up, we have another piece dollar. This is a 1922, and this was originally graded by PCGS as an MS65. As you can see, very clean cheeks on this one. Nice blast white coin. Reverse, just as beautiful. And this one did CAC. So very nice upgrade to this one. Very beautiful coin. Yeah, notice piece dollars are becoming popular. Hasn't been for a while, but they still are. Gray sheet right now is way undervalued. So hopefully they get the gray sheet caught up pretty soon. So if you can buy any piece dollars that are graded for a gray sheet, that's a pretty good buy right now. Next up, on to the Morgan dollars. First up, we have an 1879. This one's estimate. As you can see, a little bit of mirror fields to it. So this was originally graded by NGC as an MS64 PL. Very nice white coin. And this one did not CAC, unfortunately. Still a nice white PL, early version of the Morgan dollar. For the first couple years of the Morgan dollar, at least. Next we have an older style green holder from PCGS. This is an 1885 with very, very clean cheeks on this one. I mean, in my opinion, almost makes a 66. Should have been cracked out for a 66 at least, but we sent it to CAC since the older green holder. And this one obviously did CAC. I mean, as you can see, the cheeks are very clean on this. I bet if you crack this out and resubmit it, you probably would get a 66 out of it. Very beautiful coin. Next we have 1921 piece Morgan dollars that are from the S&D mints, which are very, very hard to find in higher grades. You see tons. I mean, out of all the Morgan dollars, you'll see 21s are the most common. But for D's and S's, higher condition stuff, 64 and above, are very, very hard to find. Most of them are pretty beat up from bag marks and whatnot. So this one is a 21S, originally graded by NGC as an MS64, but this one did not grade, but still a nice MS64 21 piece dollar. Next up we have the D variety of the two from Denver Mint. And this one originally graded at MS65. As you can see, very clean cheeks on this 21 Morgan dollar. And the little D mint mark on the bottom. Very beautiful coin. And this one did bang, bang, bang. It got the green sticker. So very nice upgrade for this coin. Very beautiful. Next up, we have an older style NGC holder 1885 all. Another one with nice little clean cheek. A little bit of bag mark by its nose, but very clean, nice coin. As you can see, very blast white. A little bit colored by the ear, but still a very nice original coin. And this one did CAC, and it was originally MS66. It's a very beautiful coin. Nice little upgrade. For a common date, very beautiful coin for anybody's collection. Like I said, all these coins will be listed on our website at hertelscoins.com. You can also join our weekly auctions that end every Tuesday night. So like I said, just go to our hertelscoins.com, and we do have them on our shop page. We take credit card through PayPal, or you can send us a check. Next up, we have an ADS, and as you can see, the mirror type finish. This is originally MS64 PL by NGC. Very nice coin. Nice little early date estimate, Morgan. And this one did get the green bean CAC sticker, so very nice upgrade. Nice coin. Next, we have another common date, Morgan dollar, NGC. This is an 1898 O from New Orleans Mint. Very clean cheek on this one again. Nice blast white coin. Very beautiful. Little chip right in the middle of the feathers, but still a nice coin. And this one did not CAC, but still a very nice white MS65 Morgan dollar. Very beautiful. Next we have from PCGS 1883 O Morgan dollar. A little focusing problem. So nice white coin. Little bit of edge toning, but very beautiful. White, just as nice at the front. And this one originally graded MS65 by PCGS. And this one did receive the green sticker. So very nice for this coin. Last two coins, we submitted 12 coins in this package. So hopefully we get more green beans. Or gold, like our last submission. Next up, we have an 1896. Very, very common date Morgan dollar. You see tons of 96s when it comes to Unk Morgan dollars, but in very high grades, it's hard to find them. Most of them are really bag marked up. But this one, graded MS66, but unfortunately no green sticker. I wish this one got a green sticker. It's a huge upgrade in this coin, but still very nice white MS66 1896 Morgan dollar. And our last one is an 1897 Morgan dollar. Again, nice white coin. Originally graded MS65 by PCGS. And unfortunately, this one did not CAC, but still a very nice common date Morgan dollar in high grade. Alright, not too bad of a submission. We got some few green stickers on this one. Unfortunately, no green stickers like our last one, but green stickers are very, 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 very hard to get. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We got a lot of stuff coming back from PCGS NGC very shortly, so we're going to be coming out with tons of videos pretty soon. So if you want to see those videos and you need notifications for it, always like and hit the subscribe button and make sure those notifications are on. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.